Hey, good morning, everybody. Bob Trade Genius, the 5th of December. And what I want to show you is the white metals. And I'm going to start off with is this over here. This is silver. This is a weekly chart. The silver's been consolidating down from this bottom it made in March to the top it made in August. And if we just do a Fibonacci pull here, let's take a peek at how it was hanging here. Oops, sorry about that. So look at that, just barely got to the 38 retracement, 1/3 retrace, pretty bullish, and then we ended up with a weekly. Let me get rid of this. We ended up with a weekly bullish engulfing pattern here, and I'm trying to see if you guys can see the cursor better. Is that it also we fell out of this triangle and came right back in. You know, about 70% of the time, these breakdowns are actually fake outs. So now, what we have to look towards is that are we going to push back up, maybe to here first, then to here, and then to break out again. So just keep an eye on that. I'm pretty excited about silver and all the miners that'll go with it here. So I'll talk about the miners next week once we see that this move here is going to have some legs. Let me just drop down to a daily here because I'm going to show you platinum. So this is a stock we trade a lot. It's PLG. And it just went absolutely nuts on Friday. So it's breaking up and starting to make a move here. And we just buy the greens. And so look at this move here. Literally a double in the month of November. Now think about the price of PLG is you got to look at platinum. So let me just do this. I'm going to type platinum in here. Okay. And so here's the price of platinum. Okay, look at this takeoff too. PLG is following right along with it. And I'm going to zoom out to a weekly on this. And we're ready to break up. Okay, we just broke out of this range here. So now we have to look to see, okay, what's the next area of interest? And you have to go all the way back to 2016. And I think it's gunning for 1194 area here. So just keep an eye on platinum here, and I think it's ready to roll. But why I show that to you is let's take a look at PLG at the same time. So when platinum was last at 1094, right, or 1050, PLG back in these days here was up here. Okay, just to give you perspective. Okay, so the next move for us looking at PLG is at closing in on $6 here. Sorry for all the noise here with my trades, but right here 594 area is what I'm looking at. So we're going to break into a new range with PLG. So just keep buying the dips. Dips. Now one stock that I bought that we're waiting for the move, and part of it's like gold breakout again, is Shibani Stillwater. They're gold and platinum producer. So just keep an eye on on this one here, and I'll even go out even farther so get a better perspective. Okay, so I'm looking for this thing to roll right up here too, and look at it right back in 2016. So the platinum keeps moving higher. It's going to support. So I'm looking for a 25% move here in Shabani, Stillwater too. Okay, hey, my next video is I'm going to talk about what we talked about with SPY and, excuse me, and NASDAQ and all those other stocks. So we nailed it right on the head on those fibs. Okay, we hit 3,700, and next week's probably a pullback, but 4,100 is not out of the cards. Believe it or not, for as insane as that is, we got to keep that possibility open. So just take it day by day and trade it day by day. But I'll do another video on that too. And we absolutely killed it on Friday when everybody thought Thursday, with that weird ending of the day, it was just another setup to rip the market higher. The only thing interesting is that the NASDAQ stocks were not little punk. So we may be getting a pullback here short term. But highs to 4,100, there are mathematical reasons why that can happen. At the same time, we could crash at any point too. So we take it day by day. But I'll talk about that later. You guys listen. Have a great weekend. If you want to trade with us, we got some killer Christmas specials running. And we're definitely helping people, teaching people how to do this and do this trading right. And no magic ball, no gurus. Just using math and using the oscillations and, see trade, take trade, make money. See you guys later.